Hi, my name is Oswald. Here today to show the difference between our new tool and old tool and what's the new features and the new tools are compared to the old. So this one here right off the back, it looked the same, but it's not. Fuels, right off the back you will see the fuel system is different. There's fuel cells is different. The neatness about this, it uses the same battery. So I'm going to take apart the old primer. So all you need is a 532 Allen key. So you take out the 4 screw on top, and then you have a left and a right screw. Same Allen key, 532. And it comes apart like that, 2 pieces. And this is the old style framer. For the new style, almost is the same thing. So the new style, same thing, 4 screws, 532 Allen key. Also, this have a left and right screw also. It's also come apart the same way like the old style, but you have to be extra careful. Because they have a fuel valve stem coming out of the handle. That's different from the old style, new style. Stem is coming out from here with the new one. The old one, the fuel is coming out from top of the cylinder head. Also, the body of the tool is different. New style, old style. I'm going to take apart the old style handle first, then the new style. I'm removing the rail to separate the handles. First you want to do, take apart the opposite 2 screws on the share block, and you need a 9/64 Allen key. Then you get one 532 screw on the cylinder head. You want to take that off. For the handle, you need a T20 Allen key. I'm not going to use manually. And the reason I leave those 2 screws on is to hold this follower assembly in place, because at the back here it have a small little spring, and if I did take the 2 screws off, you would have messed up your whole magazine. So this is what your handle should look like when you take it apart. And this is the inside of the old style tool. That's your spark unit. This is your PC board. This is your fuel valve, fuel system. And that's your trigger. I'm going to take apart the new style. I will approach the new style the same way like the old. 964 Allen key. On the opposite side. Also you need a 532. Old style follower, new style follower. So the new style, that's your fuel injector, that's your PC boards plugged in into the new sensor. Spark unit is different. Battery contacts are totally different also, but they use the same battery. Old style, new style. The neatness about this new style, you can unplug all these stuff and replace it. All you need is a battery fully charged. Plug it in, and your lights and everything will work. If you want to test it, press the trigger, then the other trigger. So this trigger on my thumb is for the nose, when you press the nose down, and then the other one is for when you pull the trigger and you get your spark. So right now, all your electronics are good here. So now you want to check, see if you're getting fuel. Push the fuel cell in. Same thing, you do the same rotation of checking your spark. Press, you will hear a squirt. Then you pull the trigger, and I know your gas is going all the way. I'm going to put back the handle together. Everything, don't force anything, just drop them in and it should fit seamlessly. Do this. Clear that out of the way. You don't want to force anything or pinch anything. Okay, so that's the new style. Let's put back the old style assembly together. And this is the old style handle. But okay, so we go into the body of the tool. Old style, new style. So we're going to take apart the old style first. You need to take apart the top and bottom screw. a 532 Allen key. Yeah. So this is what it looked like when the old style come apart. Sleeve assembly, combustion chamber assembly. We're going to take apart the newer style now. Same system, top and bottom. Slide that off. Slide these two screws off. This also have 3 screws on top. You need a 532 Allen key to take apart. And this is the new style sleeve assembly with a fuel injector. And this one is the old style without a fuel injector. I'm going back and put back the sleeve assembly back into the combustion chamber and into the body. I'm working from reverse. Putting back the handle onto the body of the old one. Nice and easy. Don't force anything. And that's the old style put back together. Let's do the new style. Putting back the handle onto the body of the old one. Nice and easy. Don't force anything. Make sure it's nice and moving, nice and smooth before you lock everything up. And that's the old style put back together. Let's do the new style. Hard on the back. The table low, that's why. thing, put back together. Make sure you line up. Don't force anything. And that's new style, put back together.